codesign. Codesign techniques are used today to coordinate the design steps of interdisciplinary design groups, including firmware operating system and application developers on the software side, as well as hardware developers and the chip designers on the other side to work together on all part of the system. This is also the original interpretation of the Latin syllable co in the word co-design. The following other interpretation are more subtle. What is concurrency approach of hardware and software co-design? Tight time to market window force hardware and software developers to work concurrently instead of starting the firmware and software development, as well as their test only after the hardware platform is available. It can be seen that co-design has provided an enormous progress to avoid this bottleneck by either starting from an executable specification and or applying the concept of virtual platform and virtual prototyping in order to run the concurrently developed software on a simulation model of the platform already at a very early stage. Also, testing and partitioning to concurrently executing software and hardware component require special cosimulation technique to reflect concurrency and synchronization of the subsystem. How do we minimize power consumption in embedded system? In a modern embedded system, software takes an increasing responsibility for power management. During use, there are a couple of measures that software can take to keep power consumption to a minimum. Switch off peripherals when they are not in use. Adjust the frequency and voltage of the CPU according to the current performance requirement. This is dynamic voltage and frequency scaling DVFS. What is concurrent model? The concurrent development model, sometimes called as concurrent engineering, can be represented schematically as a series of framework activities, software engineering action of tasks and their associated state. What is oldest co-design in hardware and software co-design? Driven by the technology advances predicted by Gordon Moore, hardware and software co-design techniques have become a must for a successful electronic system design today, and as such are used more and more in companies that are developing embedded electronic system products. Here the number and range of application domains that are steadily increasing include important industrial branches such as automotive, industrial design automation, avionics, mobile devices.
Please subscribe our channel for more videos and educational contents.